In this session we're going to have a look at sending messages and editing those messages on the database side of the cloud. Now for this particular user we haven't created any messages yet, and we might just be in Dockhaven. We might not have the TwitHaven messaging capability activated. So what we can do here to create a new message, I'm running Office Haven that does have the TwitHaven built in, but if we didn't, we can always, for example, right click on a particular project that we've got out and send a message to the owner. Now I am actually the owner of this, so in a sense I'm sending it to myself, but if we have multiple people in the group we could send a message to somebody else. So let me come down here, right click on that project and go send a message to the owner of that group. Now we don't need to know who the owner is, you don't need to know owner numbers or anything like that. It's going to do all the work for us. So you can see it's launched TwitHaven in the background. I don't need that, I'll just close that down, but I do need the message. So it's told me who the particular owner is and put that in there and automatically got them checked up there. You could, if you wanted to, continue the message off to a group of other people as well so that they get access to it. And the way that the messaging works is it threads all the responses and keeps it all on the one message for you going down continuously. It doesn't create multiple messages, but keeps on adding to the one threaded message. Okay, so I may want to say can you please either put the project away, or can you please check out or contact this client. There we go. Contact the owner of the client for this project. Can you please contact the client of this project? The message doesn't matter for what we're doing at the moment. Now the way the messages work also is that the message will only display on the person's computer after this particular date, so you can send messages in advance to it which won't appear till later, and there's a limited time of which the message appears, which typically is a month. After a month that message will disappear. They still will be on the server, but it'll be up to the owner to whether they remove that or not. Okay, now I'll go send. That will send that message up and create a message for this particular user to be able to go in and see. Okay,
you have one message.
There you go, it's created the message already. Okay, let me go and close that down. Click on Window, go into Database because that's what we're looking at today, and see the message here. Now I haven't refreshed this window, so let me go Show All, and we'll see all the messages that I've sent, of which there's only one because we only just created one then. And so we can see here that it's given it a unique message ID. We can see who the message is from, who the message went to. There's a no user and a no group as well, just in case they didn't go to any particular person. As people reply to them, they can actually add their name automatically gets added to the list here. So just because one person accepts the message doesn't mean the message disappears for everybody. So you can come in here and see who might have actually read the message as well. You can see the date that it was sent, the date that it's due to appear, the date that it's due to expire and stop appearing on people's computers. So you can go in and change those if necessary. You can come in here and mark it as hidden so it won't normally appear. You can, if somebody has said that they're informed of that message and you decide to go and change it, you can actually uninform them. You can fully inform, which means all users who were set to receive it you see that has come up there now as being informed. So let me just do the uninform as well, so that no user has been informed. If we wanted to get rid of the message, we could actually just delete this message individually. If we had done a search under Find and found 10 different messages on this topic, there's no reason why we can't go delete selection and it would remove all 10 of those messages, say. Now normally you would create new messages with TwitHaven, but there's no reason why you can't go in here and change and create a new message with clicking on New. Now none of the changes that we make in here will actually take effect until we click on the update button. Once we go update, it will save those changes up to the cloud so that they're set for next time. Okay, so that is how you manage your messages on the Holy Mackerel Software cloud. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.